This one. Hold on, let me move your chair.
Whoa. What?
There you go.
This one?
Yep. Hold on, you gotta put a washer in there. Here. Pull it back out. There you go.
Oops, I can't take it.
There you go. 3-year-old knows how to do this without even teaching him.
Got it.
Okay, hold on. Let me move your chair.
Whoa.
Hold on. Yep, there you go. Well, here. He's the one that doesn't have one. So you got 2 on there. There you go. Put your washer on there. You put your washer on? Yeah, you need to put the washer on there first.
I put this.
No. You gotta put the washer on there first. Now put your screw in.
Whoa!
In the night I hear
I'm
somewhere far along this road, he lost his soul.
Good job.
How could you be so heartless? Oh, how could you be so heartless?
I can't.
Can you get that one? Okay, Daddy will get that one. Get the last one in here. Here, get that one. I'll finish it. Hey, get this one. I'll put it in here. All right, give me 5.